Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Translate. Google, com in a desktop browser. Once done, set the source language and the target language so translations are consistent. This matters because automatic detection can misclassify short text. Make sure you choose the correct dialect if needed. If you prefer integrated options, open Chrome and enable Offer to translate pages in Settings. This gets you into the translation environment quickly, so you can paste or type the text and proceed. You now paste or type your content into the left pane. Google Translate gives an instant result on the right, and you can edit the input to refine meaning. For longer work, click Documents, upload a file like docx or PDF, and let Translate process the whole document. This preserves formatting more often than copying text. If you need spoken or visual translation, click the microphone or camera icons. Make sure your browser has permission to use the mic or camera so the input streams correctly. You finish by reviewing the translated text carefully, click alternate suggestions to switch phrasing, and press the speaker icon to hear pronunciation. Once satisfied, copy or download the text into your document or store it for later. If formatting is off after a document upload, try re-uploading with a simpler file type. Troubleshooting tip. If Translate fails or shows errors, clear browser cache, disable conflicting extensions, or switch to another browser. This resolves most access and rendering problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.